Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to watch F1 on your Discord. So make sure to follow the step-by-step process, and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. So first of all, open any of your browser either on your laptop or PC and search here F1 on Discord. And once you write this down, F1 on Discord, just press enter and search this F1 on Discord. And once you search this, you will be seeing the Discord server. As you can see, the Formula One Discord server, there are like different servers which are like there to invite you. So make sure to join this server like r/Formula One. And once you click here, it will take a few seconds to load, and once it is loaded, like it will basically ask you to join the server. As I already have joined, so it is asking me to continue to Discord, so just click on accept it and it will take you to the Discord automatically. So wait for it until it takes you like on the Discord. As like here is the interface that you'll be seeing, the official like the server of r/Formula One or F1. So make sure to join this server, and once you join the server, they will ask you to select your game and interest. So make sure to respect all the policies, and whatever the things are, just accept them. And once you accept them, you will be seeing this kind of interface like the server guide on how to get embed, upload, etc. And here is like the different channels and different announcement sections which are made, and you can join and you can just watch the Formula One on your Discord. As you can see, here is the news section, the live chat. Basically, this is the live section where you will be seeing the live races, the as you can see, the live voice, live chat, race control, and you can just join them, and after that you will be able to watch it. Make sure to like also go through some other sections like here is the F1 TV broadcast, so you can also watch them. As you can see, like I am just a new member and they are asking like you must be a member for at least 10 minutes to send message in this server, and there are still 6 minutes left, so you can join the server. And after that, just go to this section called live, like the news and live chat, and in this live chat you will be seeing the live section or the live streams which are like available. You can just audio also join the audio as well. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can watch F1 or Formula One on your Discord.